This video is about some places in Arizona. Make sure you subscribe this channel with the notification turned on so you won't miss a single episode. We are driving towards Horseshoe Bend, closer to border of southern Utah. This is third time we will visit the Horseshoe Bend, and this time in 2021 we pay $10 parking fee.
Hi, good morning. Yes. Yeah, we know.
First time it was free in 2018. Second time in 2019 we had to park our car far from the site and had to take shuttle bus to reach here and pay $5 per person.
Samurai sword on my back.
When we came on 2018, the temperature was real horrible. It was 112 degree Fahrenheit, that is 44 degrees centigrade, and we had no idea how tough it will be to walk on desert. It is uphill and downhill, and we can make to the rim of the Horseshoe Bend. So besides the advice of carrying 1 liter water per person, we took only 1 liter for 2 persons. This time we won't do the same mistake. So now time to get out of the car.
Stop, 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 stop. Stop.
The hiking route has changed. It is more easy than the earlier one. In early 90s, it was hardly knew by anyone. The place starts getting popular from the year 2005 slowly and then faster, and social media probably was the main trigger. Right now we are located at 4,200 feet above sea level, the absolutely stunning geological site, Colorado River winding between the canyon walls. This is a part of Grand Canyon, and this location is pretty open. Some has fence, but maximum has only canyon walls. Another one of the most amazing sight from here, following the river, is Lake Powell, is inside the Glen Canyon, and there is a Glen Canyon Dam, which is another cool site to visit. We will take you there also. This is a quiet cliffside lookout that offered expansive view of this dramatic horseshoe-shaped bend in the Colorado River from over 1,000 meters above. We found this dinosaur track at Carl Hayden Visitor Center. After this, we are going to Glen Canyon Dam Overlook. And the road towards the overlook wasn't very smooth but very bumpy. It is a short downward trail. This Glen Canyon Dam is a concrete arch gravity dam on the Colorado River in northern Arizona, more than 700 feet in height. Glen Canyon Conservancy provides tour of Glen Canyon Dam, but this one is closed due to COVID situation. Look at the layers, like so many plates and steak. This is probably second largest dam in America. And that's the river, Colorado. One more bumpy road.
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
Lake Powell is one of the largest man-made reservoir on Colorado River in Utah and Arizona. Lake Powell can be explored by small or large boat, though the tours are all closed as well. We explored last time when we came in 2018. Now we are taking our lunch from Jack in the Box. It's an American burger chain.
Thank you.
Next we are going to Monument Valley. From the town page, it's 2 hours drive in Monument Valley. Drive itself is an experience on its own. This is located in the border of northern Arizona and southern Utah. There is no major towns or cities close to this area, but some bunches of Native American reservations. It is indeed a valley in middle of desert with some giant red rocks. This is part of Navajo Nation. You can see the beauty of Monument Valley from outside, but obviously we'll get some close view when you are paying some money. It's $20, which allows you to get into certain roads of actual Monument Valley, but it is closed due to pandemic like all other Indian reservation areas. Normally guided tours are also available with different prices, range like $50 to $1,000, and also fly tours are used to be available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and most importantly write comment on the comment box so more people get to see it. Keep watching, keep loving. See you in next week. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe.